I want to share a story of a client who came to me, and of course, I'm always the last person people come to because they've tried everything. And this woman was in chronic pain. She had been to a chronic pain specialist. She'd been to an orthopedic specialist. She'd been to a neurologist for chronic pain. She had X-rays, MRIs, CAT scans. She went to holistic nutritionist, to massage therapist. She was desperate for healing and to get out of her pain. She was prescribed a lot of prescription medicines that were not making her feel good. And the pain was so severe that she couldn't even do her daily functions in life, like gardening or taking care of her house or her horse and things like that. And as every door closed from other doctors who didn't know what to do for her, who said they think it's in her head, they're just not sure. They told her she had severe scoliosis, that she had compression of the spine, and that she was just going to have to live with this. And I'm pretty stubborn, and I always look at the bigger picture. So I started asking her questions. I said, "Hey, how long have you had this chronic scoliosis?" And she said, "Just a couple years." I said, "Okay, so it's not scoliosis." I said, "How tall were you when you were younger?" And she said, 5'9". I said, "How tall are you now?" She said, 5'7". I go, "Where did those 2 inches go?" She goes, "I don't know." I said, "You are compressing. Your core isn't strong and your body is shrinking and you're compressing on your spine." I said, "We need to strengthen your core. We need to get you stretched out. You don't have scoliosis. You just are doing a lot of yard work, a lot of physical labor on your right side, which is pulling your spine and pulling that left hip out of joint and compressing your spine more." I said, "So let's take a look and let's take this one step at a time." And if I had an award for someone who has stuck through so much, it would go to this wonderful woman. We started working and I could barely touch her. She was in so much pain. And so a lot of times I would just do Reiki, and I would just do the calming the body and getting the inflammation to go down. I couldn't even move her greater trochanter in her hip. It was locked in her hip. She couldn't move her leg. She had severe pain shooting down her side of her leg from her IT band into her knee, and her back ached all the time. She was on all these different medicines for pain management. And so little by little, I just would work on her and stretch her and give her Reiki and stretch her and give her tips on how to see herself whole, healthy, and healed. I had her do a lot of visualizations of moving the pain out of her body. And so that's all we could do for a while because she was in such chronic pain. And then we had a little breakthrough and I could actually stretch her a little bit more. And so then we were able to get on my Pilates machine and I started to train her core and train her legs and her glutes for stability and strength. And I am thrilled that she is finally walking pain free. She's able to take care of her horse. She's able to garden and do the things she loves. She's able to come off her pain medicine, and her spine is straight now. So, if you feel that you are a chronic case and nothing can help you, take a look again. Start to look into alternative practice like fascial release and Reiki, and then even strength training and also therapeutic yoga, anything like that, and any kind of mind body work. You are going to see results. And so every time my client would go to the doctors, they didn't know what to tell her, and she would feel distraught because they couldn't see anything. They couldn't see anything except for severe scoliosis and compressed spine. And I said, "Hey, let's rebuild your body. Let's make it better than ever. We've gotten the spine and the body strong. Let's keep the spine and the body strong so that you can live your best life ever. Stay stretching, stay positive, and stay well balanced." I hope this encourages you to not give up hope and to look at the body, mind, and spirit as a whole unit. Strengthen, stretch, and change the way you look at things. Thank you and have a great day.